Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, students. So today we are going to start our second chapter of book 4, that is chapter number 10, ratio and proportion. Okay, so we should first know what is ratio. Okay, so ratio is basically a comparison in division. Okay, so if I am saying let's say this is 3/4 or 3 divided by 4, right? This is in the form of division. This is also division, but we can also call it as ratio. 3:4. Okay, this we use for ratio. Okay, so this also means this. And okay, so a comparison in division, that is basically our ratio. Okay, so now there is ratio in the simplest form. So ratio in the simplest form is that form. See, if these are two numbers a and b or two terms, okay, so a ratio can be written like this or like that. These are the two dots, okay, just like a colon. So ratio in the simplest form is when we can call that these terms are in the simplest form when a and b have no common factors except one. Okay, they both should not have any other common factor other than 1. So the first exercise that we are going to start today is our exercise 10a, and in these questions you will get to know the concepts that are involved in it. Okay, and it's on page 139, sorry. And the question number 1 is express the following as ratios in different forms. Okay, so the ratios, they can be written in the form of fractions or how we are going to read them, and this in this alphabetical form or the simplest form. So first is 3 kilometers to 5 kilometers. It means in the fractional form it will be 3/5. In the ratio form it will be 3:5, and we read it as 3:5. And in the simplest form it will be 3/5 because they are not having any other common term, so it will be like this only. Then we have 50 paise to rupees 3. See, for just comparing or writing the fraction, we should do one thing, that both of these should have a common, the unit should be same, but here it is paise and here it is rupees. So what I'll do, I'll just convert this rupees into paise. So it will be 50/300 paise, because 3 rupees is 300 paise. So in the ratio form it will be 50:300, and we will write it like 50:300. And in the simplest form it will be 50/300. This 0 and 0 will get cancelled out, and this will be 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So it will be 1:6. Then the third part is 50 marks to 20 marks. 50/20, 50:20, 50:20, and 0 0 will get cancelled out, so it will be 5:2. Then the next part is 10 gram to 5 grams. So in the fractional form I'll write 10/5, 10:5, 10:5, and here it will be 2:1. Then we have 5 meters to 1 centimeter. Since 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so it will be 500/1, 500/1, 5:1, 5:1, because it's also not having any other common terms. Similarly, we can do all the parts as well. I'm just focusing on this so you can just understand it. Okay, now we have the question number 2, that is represent the following as a ratio of the first number to the second and write it in the simplest form. And the first one is done for you. So we will start from the second one, and the second part is 18:36. So the ratio of 18 to 36. So it will be 18:36. So see, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 30. So it will be 1:2. Similarly for the second part, it's ratio of 14 to 7, because बोला गया कि first का ratio to 7 second है. That means पहला है 14:7. So it will be 2:1, because 2 ones are 2. Sorry, 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Then for the third part we have, this is 4 2 are 8, 4 9 are 36, and for this it is 12 3 are 36, 12 8 are 90. So it is 8:3. Okay, now the third question that we have is determine and state which of the rows have the same ratio of bees to flowers. हमें ये देखना है कि किन में सेम आएगा. Okay, so if you could just see here, first जो है bee और flower का ratio for the first part, bees 2 flour, that means b will be in the numerator and flour will be in the denominator. Okay, so it will be 2/5. Just see 2/5. Then for the second it will be 1:3. Where is second? 1:3. Then for third it's 2/6. 2/6, that is 1:3. Because 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. And for the fourth it will be 2:2, that is 1. So if you could just see second and third, in second and third the ratio of bees to flour is same. हमें ये देखना किन दो में same होगा. Then the B part is bowls to apple. Okay, so for the first part it is 2:3 and second के लिए है 3:4. Then we have 4/8, sorry 4/6, that is 2:3. and for the fourth part it's 1:3. हम यहाँ पे चेक करें 1 और 3 की जो रेशो है वो सेम है. सिमिलरली हम इसमें भी देखेंगे. इट इज़ बॉयज़ टू बॉल. फर्स्ट के लिए है 3/9, दैट इज़ 1:3. सेकेंड के लिए है 1:4, देन वी हैव 1:3. देन वी हैव 2/6, दैट इज़ 1:3. सो दैट मीन्स सेकेंड इट्स नॉट सेकेंड आई थिंक. Okay, 1:3. So it's clear that for 1:3. So फर्स्ट थर्ड एंड फोर्थ के लिए रेशो सेम है. तो रेशो जो डिफरेंट है दैट इज ओनली फॉर थर्ड. सो वी विल राइट इट एज दस इन सेकेंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ रेशो ऑफ बॉयज टू बॉल इज सेम एंड सेकेंड इज डिफरेंट. ओनली सेकेंड इज क्योंकि वहाँ पे रेशो से 1:4 आ रही है. एंड फॉर द सेकेंड पार्ट है बॉयज टू कॉस्ट. पहला आएगा 2, इट्स 2/400, दैट मीन्स 1/200. सेकेंड के लिए है 4/500, दैट मीन्स 1/12.5. थर्ड के लिए आ रहा है 3/600, 1/200. और फोर्थ के लिए आ रहा है 5/200, दैट मीन्स 1/40. सो इसमें जो डिफरेंट रेशो है दैट इज फॉर दिस सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ के लिए रेशो जो है दैट इज डिफरेंट. And with this our 4 questions are completed, and I think that's all for today.